So this toilet here is constantly overflowing. You can see it there. So we're going to change fill valve, and we're going to ask the customer now if they also want us to change this siphon here. Can't find the stopcock, so we're just going to turn it off from here. Flush the toilet. Still filling up. Isolation valve does not work. I've managed to isolate the stopcock, turn the water off. Most water has been taken out, but I'm going to use my Milwaukee to get most of the water out. But before I do that, I've got to get these wing nuts off here. You can see this is quite badly rusted. This one here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. So we're going to need a new ISO anyway, so I'll either cut it lower. Still water in here. I did. I've done it anyway. issue we had last time was this. Yeah.
Yeah, which it's not going to. It's not gonna.
Where's the handle for this? Is it in the
Just add it on.
That doesn't even fit in the hole. Unless they want it slightly off.
Yeah, because it can't be too tight, can it? Otherwise you won't get that thing. I've done it like that before. I've done it like that before.
That's why I started carrying the other ones, didn't I? Stop carrying these. Yeah, that would just about work now, look. Yeah, that would fit. So what's happened before is I've fitted all of this before, done all the hard bit, and then the easy bit of connecting this I wasn't able to do because it was too tight to here. So before doing it, I'm just testing it to make sure it works. Make sure the flush is all the way on more, minimum, max, 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 max on everything. Done. Put this in here. Washer does all the sealing. Need a plate.
I dread the crack, you know, when I do that. Every time I do that, I think, oh, it's got to be tight, but that extra push could crack the nut on it.
So with this fill valve, you literally just undo this here, set it to the height you want, close, push the cap back in, so I'm going to use this instead, which is an isolation valve straight in there. It's got the washer in there like so. I think so.
You did it in the best because literally you couldn't experience that.
Yeah, but still. I'm on about some other topics explaining it.
Yeah.
nuts. Yeah, just move all these out the way. The wing nuts have been tightened up. That side wing nuts have been tightened up. New inners inside here, nice and loose. That screw has still got a screw in there. It's still got the thread in there, so we're going to put one in the middle here. It ain't going anywhere because it's solid anyway.
Big, small, medium?
Just this small. No, that one there.
A few washers there, different time.
What do you think? Is that 5 drill bit in there? Because it might not go in.
5, yeah.
Give it a hammer. You want to turn the water back on?
Move the basin tap.
Yeah, 1 sec, wait. Go on then. Water's been turned on. A flick of this lifts the siphon up. No leaks.
Alrighty, so you're done.
Yeah. Check. So this is, like I said, full flush is 1 down, half flush is half flush, right?